Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So I'll be presenting on the movie, the another movie, Arora murder case. As I can't watch the listed movies, I have my issues, network issues. So I was suggested this movie to watch this movie and then give the presentation. So, sir, this movie basically revolves around medical negligence committed by a high profile doctor. I should give a little background as I don't think how many of you have watched this movie. So in this movie, a 8-year boy named Ankur Arora was suffering from appendicitis. Appendicitis is a infection of stomach, and it's not that serious, like, and the appendix, it's related to the organ appendix, which is in our body, and it's a vestigial organ like a tail. Like, it's not that necessary, we can function normally without the appendix. So he was suffering from this infection, and his mother took him to the hospital, Shekhawat General Hospital, and there he was admitted. So Dr. Asthana, role played by none other than KK Menon, the great actor. He is in the lead role. So he was given charge to operate that boy, and during the operation, it was because of his negligence that the boy succumbs to his infection. See what happened, that when the boy has eaten some biscuits right before the operation, and the boy was told not to eat anything at this, as this could lead to some serious illness. So boy just surreptitiously took the biscuit and he ate it. It was lying on the table when his mother left to buy some medicines, and he told the nurse. Nurse name was Rosina. He told Rosina that I have eaten biscuits. I'm sorry. I just couldn't tell, and please don't tell my mother, yeah, or she will get angry. So Rosina rushed to Dr. Asthana. She told that this boy has eaten biscuit. We should not operate. We should not operate him. Dr. Asthana said it's not that serious. We will use Ryle's tube, and Ryle's tube is used to take food out of stomach. It is used to take food out of stomach during operation or before operation. So Dr. Asthana assured her that we will use Ryle's tube and then we will operate the boy. Soon, during the operation, Dr. Asthana, the senior most doctor, high profile doctor who has treated some celebrity patient, he just forgot to use the Ryle tube, and the food was in boy's stomach, and the surgery was successful. There was no glitch in the surgery. But right after the surgery, the boy started vomiting and he went into coma. And after 3 days of treatment, he dies. But during the surgery, when the boy was in coma, with Dr. Asthana, there were four other members who were present in the OT operation theater. He told everyone that though you all are also responsible for this negligence, for this boy's death. So no one is going to tell anything to anyone outside this operation theater. Otherwise, all will suffer. So soon after, there was a Dr. Romesh. He was intern. He found the reality behind the thing which happened in Operation Theatre, and he said that I will give justice. I will take this case in court and pursue the boy's mom to take this case in court. So the boy mom's, obviously she lost his son. She wanted justice. She doesn't want this to happen to anyone else. So she took this case to court. And in court, it was held that the doctor, well-known Dr. Asthana, was held negligent. It was because of his negligence that the boy dies, and it was a serious negligence, medical negligence. The story, see, medical negligence, these types of cases are never really that popular. Like the doctors, and they are not always charged for medical negligence. And also, Supreme Court has ruled in some of the cases that ordinary lack of care is not enough for the doctors to be charged under criminal law, because This is very obvious, because if this will happen, then doctors won't be able to perform their duty very well. They will think that someone will file the case on me. Serious medical negligence is required to get charged under section 304 of IPC, which states, which state causing death by negligence. Whoever causes the death of any person by doing any rash or negligent act not amounting to culpable homicide. I would like to point, Dr. Asthana can't be charged under culpable homicide because the two very important ingredient, intention and knowledge. Though he had knowledge that if he'll do anything rash or negligent, the boy may die, but he never had intention to kill the boy. So Dr. Asthana was charged under section 304 of IPC, which states causing death by negligence. And also in this movie it has been portrayed that some of the doctors took their profession, this noble profession, as a business. I would like to point out a dialogue where KK Menon, Dr. Asthana, also known as Dr. Asthana, says, he says, आप लोग को अगर ये एक कामयाब डॉक्टर बनना है तो ये याद रखें कि ये एक प्रोफेशन के साथ साथ एक बिजनेस भी है. He said this dialogue when he kept the boy in a he admitted the boy and charged extra fees just because for him Dr. Asthana has been portrayed as a not as a serious or a good doctor, but as a businessman who treats his profession as a business, and he have no mercy towards that child. Like, it's my opinion, he only treated the that patient as his client from whom he can charge a lot of money. And this movie basically portrays the medical negligence performed by high professional doctors, and also these doctors are so powerful that people just couldn't go against them. They fear of like being murdered or being getting harmed because of those things, and no one could ever think of going against him in this movie. And this made that doctor the arrogant, powerful and best in his noble profession. So that was all which I learned from this movie, medical negligence. This is the legal point in this movie, and
So,
court held him guilty and in the end.
so